Hello, today we're going to be doing two unboxings. We've got one box from Corgi, and we've got one box from an online retailer called Modelmatic, which if you're in the UK and you buy premium diecast like Greenlight and all that sort of stuff, you'll probably know that name. So yeah, let's get into box one, which is some Corgi Vanguards models. Okay, so for the purposes of the video, we have sort of unboxed it slightly. We've taken all the bubble wrap off it and things like that, just to make it easier. So let's get into it. And so the first model is a Rover SD1. Now, if anybody knows anything about these cars, you know, big V8, comfortable, usually got velour interior, very good. These all get like proper reviews later on. And then the next one is a Jaguar XJ6. Again, very nice model, very intricately detailed, but again, we'll get proper reviews later on. Okay, so next up is the order from Modelmatic. Now, again, it's all been sort of pre-cut open and de-bubble wrapped, just so we can just get straight into the cars. So let's just get this open here. Now, first up, we've got a couple of Tarmac Works models. This is a Vertex S15. Again, these all get proper individual reviews at some point down the line, like the sort of like quick, just sort of real quick reviews. And this is just a real quick unboxing video. We've got a yellow Evo 3, again from Tarmac Works, and then there should be one more, which is the black variation. Now, if you've seen Initial D, you'll remember there was a black Evo 3, which is kind of why I wanted it. And next up is, he had some pre-owned stuff, and basically I bought this because I had it as a kid and wanted it back, so yep, that'll get a full review and opened and everything. Next up, 68 Cougar. Again, had that one as a kid. It's got kind of silly graphics, but again, we'll get a proper review. And then finally, just because I like sort of LED sleds and things, got this Purple Passion, which is really nice. Really enjoy that. Next up, from a Porsche sort of mini premium series, I guess you would call it. There's the cars there. Yeah, so 944 turbo. That was really the only one that I was wanting from that set, other than maybe like the early 911 and the 356. But yeah, that I'm a big sort of 944 fan. Next, from the Japanese Historics series, I think it's a Toyota Corolla. And 11, I've got the Prince Skyline and the RX3 already, so this was the other one that was really sort of interested in having after those ones. So yep, grab that. From the Modern Classics series, we have the Nissan Sil 80, so Silvia front end, 180SX rear. Again, all of it very good series. The Forester would probably be the second favourite after the Sil 80. But yeah, great looking car. And then finally, unfortunately this one looks like it hasn't survived the delivery process. It just seems like, yeah, it just looks like the glue's failed on it, which is fine. I mean, I'm going to open it anyway. But yeah, we have the 1970 Chevy Kingswood Estate in a blue. Really regret not getting the extra colours of these now. There may be another order at some point. So yeah, that's all I've got to show just now. There is another box coming with a sort of a subscription-based model sort of thing of American muscle cars. So that once that arrives, we'll get that video sorted out for you. But yeah, until the next video, I shall speak to you later.